It's your boy Kirk repping Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, and you checking out Bossip right now. I don't dog her. I had to get a point across. It's, you know, people again are going to go in their homes, close their door in the privacy and have their private arguments and dog their wives and their husbands and act like they're perfect and the ground they walk on is for saints. That's a lie. Be real, you're not perfect, face it. I would say look into the mirror and look at the life you've had and look at the things you've done to get where you are and just be real. No, I'm not perfect. Kirk ain't walking around, I'm the perfect guy. I'm all that. No, I'm not perfect. If I make a mistake and I do something you don't like, that's you. My problem is making sure my wife is okay with it, making sure Rasheeda's good with me. It's not, I don't really care about what that girl or that person, they're not paying my bills. They just stating their opinion, and it's like I asked, everybody got one. That remains to be seen. Me and Rasheeda are friends. People think, you know, if me and Rasheeda not getting, if we break up and if we're not married, we have so much business together that it's gonna take a lot of legal work to literally separate all of that. Like Rasheeda would definitely be entitled to a whole lot, don't get me wrong. And the company owns a lot. And you know, that's one thing we would go back and forth with. And like I told her, if we ever get to the point where you think you really want to just keep going, let's just work it out. And then we just go to a lawyer and just get it, you know, bust down, and you do you and I do me. And we still gonna be friends, we still gonna work together, you know. It's not really about just leave your wife, you know. I think getting through things can only make things better for you. You know, if you can get, we've been through similar things like that in the past before we even got to this point. So, you know, you got a lot of relationships where this, you know, people don't want to say it and they try to hide it. But when you living in certain kind of cities and you in a certain kind of entertainment world, you got guys and girls who married, who doing things you wouldn't believe. So for me, just to go play around with a few chicks and, you know, try to really piss her off, I mean, I brush it off as came off as embarrassing to my wife, which I said, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have did that. I know I'm wrong. But she understand where I was coming from. She don't like it and she's mad, but I mean, again, she understand where I was coming from. The effect that had was when it happened and we kind of got into the argument, he didn't really like it. I mean, you know, he would try to change the subject, you know, during a dinner or something to try to get us to stop talking about it. Because when you do something like that, you know, a woman is always going to throw, you could be talking about, you need to go do an interview, you need to do this, and then 5 minutes later, but it's back to that subject. So it begins to affect him in that way. But at this point in time, he understands what it is and what it was, and it was nothing. I mean, yeah, because first of all, we got to have a next season, you know? And then it just depends on, you know, I mean, you know, I'm going to take a few things in and, you know, weigh my options. I think you on a path for a reason. I think people need to learn the person, you know. It's not that you're not, I mean, the good guy is a good thing, but also there's a dark side to me, and you're getting to see both sides. Now, they may prefer one and the other, but I mean, combined, this is who I am, you know. Not saying that I'm gonna be perfect, but will I try to clean it up a little more and be a lot more respectful? Yes. I mean, I don't wanna be just running around, just, you know, I definitely won't even be playing Rasheeda like that anymore anyway. That's not gonna fly in her book, you know. I crossed the line, I already know she ain't playing with it, she ain't like it, and the fact that I did it where everybody could see it really just, you know, put a bad taste in her mouth.